Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SolidWorks tutorial how to merge bodies. So as example, I will create new file. You can choose part, click OK. And I will create a body. First, you can draw sketch in the top plane. I will create in it, rectangle. And use extrude tools to convert into 3D. The second, we draw again sketch in the top plane. I will create circle in here. Click close and then use extrude again to convert into 3D. Now you need to move the objects and connect between these two objects. So I will use move tools. You can go to search bar and type move. Okay, I will use this move copy or body. I will select these objects and we set map. So I will click from this edge into this edge. Click OK. So it will be automatically move. And if you want to merge between these two body, we can use combine command. You can tap again, combine. Click at this icon. And then you can select add option to combine. For bodies, you can select these two bodies. Click OK. And the object will be automatically merged. Okay, that's it for basic SolidWorks tutorial how to merge bodies. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.